Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SCT Math Tutorials. Today we have a word problem, and the problem is like this. So a certain dance group started out with 25 boys and 19 girls. Every week 2 more boys and 3 more girls join the dance group. After how many weeks will there be the same number of boys and girls in the dance group? Okay, so that is the question. So basically the starting point is you have 25 boys and 19 girls, right? So that's your starting point. So 25 boys, right, and then 19 girls, right? Okay, so that's your starting point. And then every week you add 2 more boys, right? So every week you add 2 more boys, right? And then you add 3 more girls. Okay, so 3 more girls every week. You add that. The question is how many weeks there will be the same number of boys and girls. Okay, so how many weeks? The question is how many weeks you have the same number of boys and girls. So first, you take a look at so here's your starting point, and here's what's going on throughout the weeks, right? Throughout how many weeks that we need to figure out, and then at the end, boys equal girls. Okay, so in order for us to get to here, we need to know. So our starting point is this. So look at the starting point. Our starting point, you have 25 boys and 19 girls. So how many more boys than girls? So basically you just take 25 minus 19, you have what, 6, right? So 6 more boys than girls, right? So the starting point is you have 6 more boys than girls. Now so here each week, right, every week you add 2 boys and 3 girls. So every week the difference between boys and girls is shrinking by what? By 1, right? Because you add only 2 boys, but you add 3 more girls. So every week the difference shrinks by 1, right? So your starting point is the difference by 6. Every week you shrink by 1, right? So because of that, how many weeks? So basically you just take the total difference divided by the difference per week, then you have 6. So that 6 is your answer. So that's how you do these kind of problems. So first you look at the beginning, right? So you have the beginning, which is what's going on here, and then what's going on throughout the weeks, right? Throughout the weeks, and then the goal is to have boys equals girls. So basically, just like I said, you take the difference between the two, you come up with 6. So each week you add 1 more girl than boy, right? So in order for them to have the same number of boys and girls, there must be 6 weeks. So if we want to test it out, so for boys you have what? After 6 weeks, what do you have? You have 25, right? Plus 6 times 2, right? And then girls, same thing. So your starting point is 19 plus 6 times 3, right? So here is like 12, okay? So that's 37. Here is 18. So 19 plus 18, also 37. That's when these guys are equal, right? So that's how you do these kind of problems. You can set it up like you do it this way, or you can set it up in the equation, right? So you start out. So your end goal is boy equals girl, right? So here's your starting point. So you can write another way is you write 25 plus, right, 2x. What does this mean? This represents the total of boys after each week, right? So let's say after week 1 you have 25 boys. After week 2 you have 27 boys. So this formula here represents the total of boys after x weeks, right? And then that equates girls, which is 19 plus 3x. Okay, so your starting point is 19 girls plus each week you add 3 girls to the team. So 3x on this side represent the total girls after x weeks, right? So basically you just equate them, because the end goal right here, like I said, the end goal is boys equals girls. So you equate them. So basically you just try to find the x, right? So basically you move this guy over here, you move the 19 over here. So basically what do you have? You have 25 minus 19 equals 3x minus 2x. So 25 minus 19, that's 6, equals x. So same thing here. So either solving by using this methodology, methodology number 1, you do this kind of problems here, try to find the difference between the two from the beginning, divided by the total difference throughout the weeks. You have 6 weeks. You can do it like this, or you can formulate it into an equation, right? So here's your equation. Here's your equation. And then you solve for x, and basically x is 6, so that's the answer. So here are multiple ways of doing these problems, but these are the 2 ways that I think you can apply to this problem. If you can change this into equation like this, then you can solve x. But if not, then you can do it this way. Whatever works for you. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's how you do these kind of problems. And thanks for watching. And if you are going to take the exam anytime soon, then I wish you the best of luck. And if you like the channel, please subscribe and share the video, and hit like as well. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.